Top 5 Large Language Models, LLMs. The landscape of large language models in early 2026 represents a peak of architectural refinement, where the focus has shifted from mere parameter count to the sophistication of data processing and the efficiency of inference. Number 1. OpenAI's GPT-4o. Leading the global market in terms of sheer user volume is OpenAI's GPT-4o, an omni-model that has redefined the paradigm of human-computer interaction by processing text, audio, and visual inputs within a single latent space. Technically, GPT-4o operates on a highly optimized transformer architecture that likely utilizes a mixture of experts approach to balance high-level reasoning with manageable latency. The primary advantage of GPT-4o is its massive ecosystem and the seamless integration of its API into thousands of third-party applications, making it the most used model worldwide by a significant margin. However, its closed-source nature and the opaque details of its training data continue to be a point of contention for researchers seeking absolute transparency. The model excels in creative tasks and general-purpose assistance, but it occasionally struggles with the extreme precision required in niche scientific domains compared to models specifically tuned for long context retrieval. Before we continue, please subscribe to my channel at Everything AI 2026, click the like button, and share the video. By subscribing, you gain access to a dedicated knowledge hub designed to keep you at the frontier of the AI revolution. We don't just report on the news, we decode the future. Now let us continue.
Number 2. Anthropic's Claude 3.5 Sonnet.
Following closely in terms of specialized professional adoption is Anthropic's Claude 3.5 Sonnet, which has carved out a reputation as the premier model for coding and nuanced literary analysis. From a technical standpoint, Claude distinguishes itself through its adherence to constitutional AI, a training methodology where the model is guided by a set of written principles rather than just human feedback. This leads to a distinct personality characterized by a lower rate of hallucinations and a more cautious, helpful tone. The technical architecture of Claude 3.5 Sonnet is praised for its needle-in-a-haystack retrieval capabilities, where it maintains near-perfect accuracy across a 200,000 token context window. This makes it an essential tool for legal and technical professionals who need to analyze entire libraries of documentation in a single prompt. The pros of Claude include its superior coding logic and its ability to handle complex instructions without drifting, though it is often ranked lower in total user count than GPT-4o due to a more focused, enterprise-heavy marketing strategy and more restrictive geographic availability in its early stages.
Number 3. Google's Gemini 1.5 Pro.
Google's Gemini 1.5 Pro represents a third pillar of the industry, ranking second or third in total users globally due to its native integration into the Android operating system and Google Workspace. Technically, Gemini's standout feature is its massive context window, which now reliably supports up to 2 million tokens. This is achieved through a mixture of experts architecture that allows the model to activate only the most relevant subnetworks for a given query, drastically reducing the energy cost of processing massive datasets. Gemini's ability to process hours of video or thousands of lines of code in one go is a technical feat that few competitors can match. Its integration with Google Search provides it with a real-time information edge, which is its greatest pro. However, a recurring con for Gemini has been the occasional over-tuning of its safety filters, which can lead to refusal-itis, where the model declines to answer benign prompts that it perceives as potentially sensitive. Number 4. Meta's Llama 3.1. The fourth major player is Meta's Llama 3.1, which holds the title of the most influential open weights model in history. While it may not have as many direct chat users as GPT, its footprint in the developer community and internal corporate servers is unparalleled. The 405B parameter version of Llama 3.1 was trained on over 15 trillion tokens using a cluster of 16,000 H100 GPUs, making it one of the most computationally expensive models ever produced. Technically, Meta opted for a dense transformer architecture rather than a mixture of experts for its flagship version, prioritizing raw reasoning power and stability over inference speed. The pro of Llama is its versatility. Because the weights are available, companies can fine-tune it on private data without ever sending that data to a third-party server. This has made it the gold standard for sovereign AI and private enterprise. The con is the sheer hardware requirement. Running the full 405 billion model at high speed requires a massive infrastructure investment that is out of reach for individual users or small startups without significant cloud credits. Number 5. Mistral Large 2. Finally, Mistral Large 2 from the French company Mistral AI rounds out the top 5, representing a triumph of efficiency and multilingual performance. Mistral has consistently punched above its weight class by using superior data curation techniques that allow a smaller parameter model to compete with the giants from Silicon Valley. Technically, Mistral Large 2 is designed with a high degree of knowledge density, meaning it has been trained on a higher percentage of high-quality code and multilingual text per billion parameters than its peers. This makes it exceptionally good at reasoning in French, German, Spanish, and several other languages where American models sometimes feel like they are just translating from English. Its ranking in terms of users is lower than the tech giants, but it remains a favorite in the European market and among developers who value a model that offers a high performance-to-cost ratio. The primary pro is its multilingual excellence and cost-effective API, while the con is its slightly lower performance in extremely complex, multi-step logical reasoning compared to the latest iterations of GPT or Claude. 2026 trend. Looking at the technical trajectory for the remainder of 2026, the industry is moving toward agentic workflows, where these 5 models are no longer just answering questions but are interacting with operating systems to perform tasks. This requires a shift in technical focus toward action tuning, where models are trained specifically on logs of computer use to better understand how to navigate software. GPT-4o currently leads in this user-facing automation, while Llama 3.1 provides the backbone for private automated pipelines. As these models continue to evolve, the gap in raw intelligence is narrowing, leaving the competition to be decided by context window size, inference cost, and the depth of integration into the daily digital lives of the global population. The battle for the next billion users will likely not be won by the model with the most parameters, but by the one that can provide the most reliable, low-latency reasoning at a price point that makes it invisible and ubiquitous. Thank you for your attention, and see you soon in the next video. Please let me know your opinion in the comment section.